In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wispr Flow to Gmail app. While you can attach Wispr Flow to Gmail like a plugin or a built-in integration, you can still use it seamlessly with Gmail through system-wide voice typing. That simply means Wispr Flow will type wherever your text cursor is, so the trick is to place the cursor in the right spot and use the hotkey to dictate. Here's the best way to do it on Windows using Gmail in your browser. Start by opening Gmail in Chrome or Edge. These browsers are recommended because they tend to work most reliably with web-based editors, including Gmail's Compose window. Once Gmail is open and loaded, click the Compose button to start a new message. After the Compose window appears, click directly inside the message body. This is important. Wispr Flow will type only where your cursor is, so make sure the blinking cursor is in the body of the email before you begin. Now, press the Wispr Flow hotkey. Hold Control and the Windows key together. With the hotkey pressed, begin speaking your email clearly and at a natural pace. When you're finished, release the keys and your spoken words will appear as text in the message body. That's all there is to it. It works because Wispr Flow isn't tied to Gmail specifically. It just types into any active text field, and Gmail's Composer is one such field. A few practical tips will make this smoother. Before you start, confirm that the cursor is still active in the body. Clicking elsewhere on the page, like the sidebar or subject line by accident, can move focus away. Keep holding the hotkey while you speak, and release only when you're done with that thought. If you need to add more, press the hotkey again and continue. Speak in a quiet environment and enunciate clearly for better accuracy. Shorter sentences are easier for any voice typing system to capture precisely. When the text appears, give it a quick read and make small corrections with your keyboard as needed. If nothing happens when you press the hotkey, click once more inside the message body to refocus the cursor, then try again. And if your dictation starts appearing in the wrong place, stop, click where you want the text to go, and resume. Remember, this isn't a special Gmail integration. Wispr Flow is simply typing for you. Used this way, it's a fast, effective method to compose messages hands-free right inside Gmail on Windows.